So, if you are a business owner or coach or consultant and you keep seeing this internet scream Clawdbot, Clawdbot and Clawdbot, and people are literally buying the Mac Mini to just run it. This video is for you. I'm not here to just act like a guru. I'm not here to pretend that I have mastered this. But I spent 10 hours of researching Clawdbot because I'm building my own automation OS and I wanted to understand why everyone is obsessing over this tool. Is this a real leverage to play or just a hype? So I did my grand work so you don't have to. Here's what you are going to get in next 10 minutes. I'm going to break down what Clawd actually is in a simpler terms. The 3 biggest lessons that I found in all the hypes and how business owner can use this in a right way without risking their data, money or sanity. Here's the first thing that you need to know before you do anything. If the tool can control your computer, it should never treat it like a normal app. You treat like you hiring a new team member, except this team member can click anything and everything. So first rule is limit your access, isolate it and don't install blindly. Now let's get into the 3 lessons. The first is it is a plug and play and it can replace human. So what people are actually saying online, they are acting like, bro, I just install it and now I have a own AI employee and it will do your work while you sleep. It will replace your assistant. To be honest, sound amazing, right? The reality, it is not a plug and play, it is a powerful but risky. Here's what I found. This isn't some magical things that just work. It's a computer controlling your AI agent. It can click, it can read, it can type, or it can open your any app, any tab, or operate any tool. And the moment you connect it with your real system, your email and your passwords, etc., you are giving it the key to your business. So no, it is not a plug and play, it is a plug and pray. If you are careless, if you are going to use something like this, one clear job like research assistant, reporting, repetitive admin tasks that you are doing completely alone and only expand after it's a proven and safe. And the second lesson is everyone needs a Mac for it. You have seen everywhere. People are buying Mac and separate machine and laptop like it's a trend. The reality, it's not about the Mac Mini. They want Clawdbot running 24/7 and they want it isolated from their personal laptop, because if you run it in your own main computer, you're mixing your entire life with an agent that can control your system. And that's why people are talking about separate machine or a VPS hosting or a sandbox setup for the business owner. So don't treat like this automation like a tool. Treat like an infrastructure, because if you automate this in a wrong way, you don't scale. You create automation chaos and that chaos will cost more than a VA would ever. And the third is it's a free. And another misconception, people assume it's a open source equal to free. The reality, it's free can become expensive fast. What I found is even if the tool is free at the moment, when you connect with your APIs, model, workflow or plug and play or integration, anything, it can burn money without even you realizing it. I spent $1,000 to $2,000 per month to the tools thinking it would ease my life, and I end up with using only 10% of them. So here's what I learned. Tool don't save your money, system save your money, and you need to ask yourself, do I have time to manage this, set up this discipline or clear workflow? Because if not, a simple assistant plus a clear SOP will outperform your fancy automation that you are trying to build here. Clawdbot can be a powerful tool. It's not a magic. It can scale you. It can also expose you, depending how you install it, isolate it and use it. And I'm still learning by myself, to be honest. I'm testing it very cautiously and I'm not giving the full access like a lot of people are doing the mistake. And I'm observing the cost, speed and accuracy before testing it with the full work. Now, if you're a busy business owner and you don't have time to spend 10 hours of researching like I did, I put everything together, my 10-hour research in a cheat sheet, which you will get the key insight, the red flag, the decision checklist and the safety setup principle if you wanted to use it. I have pinned the document in the comment so you can have the access to. So if you are high ticket coaches, consultant and trying to grow on YouTube channel and generating consistent organic lead, you can book a free call and that link to is in the description and we'll see if I can help you out or not. and I have already recorded one full video you can see here, and you can watch how you can make 6 figures in a right way from YouTube channel. See you in the next video.